very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On Sunday, 22nd September, the visit of Father Juan Luis Playa, SDP Central Delegate of the Rector Major for the Salesian Family Secretariat to the Salesian Vice Province of Africa, Congo, ACC, has come to an end. The day began with the Mass celebrated by Father Playa, in which the members of the Salesian family of Kinshasa participated. At the end of the Mass, there was a moment of exchange during which the members of the Salesian family thanked Father Playa for the visit and offered him various souvenirs. In the month of September, the missionary formation course is taking place in Shillong, like every year, gathering members of Salesian family of South Asia to deeply reflect on missions today with many interesting inputs. The missionary formation course in Shillong, India is an unforgettable experience for the Salesian family members of the South Asia region every year. The course conducted in Matthias Institute Provincial House in the INTS province brought together 27 Salesians, FMAs, MSMHC and VSDB. After having been in ministry for quite a period of time, living and praying together as brothers and sisters, reflecting on the mission and looking at different perspectives, interacting with missionaries, lay people, young people, novices and clerics, information gives a new outlook to them. On 19 and 20th September, the Salesian National Center for Youth Ministry in Spain, CNSPJ in Spanish, held a meeting of the coordination team in which the stages to be followed in the work plan for this new working year were outlined. The meeting took place at Don Bosco House, recently opened in Vallecas in Madrid, and opened with a reflection led by the director of the CNSPJ, Father Jose Miguel Nunes, who in his speech highlighted the opening of Don Bosco House as a space designed for work, hospitality and formation, a center that brings together several Salesian delegations under the same roof and thus consolidates the sense of unity and service within the Salesian Youth Ministry in Spain. Salesian Mission Day 2024, promoted worldwide by the Salesian Congregation's mission sector, is an invitation to strengthen Salesian missionary work and promote social transformation under the motto, Builders of Dialogue. Without a doubt, it is also a call to action and an invitation to dream together of a more just and united world. The global image of the day is a puzzle composed of different people, men, women, young people, the early, the laity, consecrated persons. In this way, it visually represents the concept for which everyone can contribute according to their condition and culture. The many ethnic groups that enrich the world allow one to discover and appreciate the beauty of diversity and learn to listen. All this allows us to create something new that flourishes precisely in dialogue. On the morning of 24th September, professors from the 5 faculties of the Pontifical Salesian University UPS prepared for the start of the new academic year by meeting for a moment of common formation focused on the theme Salesian Charism and University. Leading the reflection was Professor Mario Rafael Olmos Argueta SDB, Rector of the Don Bosco University of El Salvador, Doctor in Sociology, who held the role of General Coordinator of Salesian University institutions in the congregation from 2010 to 2016. The reflection prompted a fruitful exchange of ideas between the professors at the working tables. The morning of formation ended with the celebration of Mass and a convivial lunch. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.